A dark and precise form rises over East Austin. Dark gray walls, a sharp silhouette, and a gabled roof almost flush with the sides, a gesture that reveals a house where visual simplicity is also a strong presence. Casey House is located in a neighborhood of East Austin, Texas, on a flat lot with no significant topography. The site was empty, with no major trees, only modest vegetation, which offered freedom to define orientation and form based mainly on sunlight and views. The floor plan is rectangular, and the main volume has a gable roof shape. The standing seam metal roof is almost level with the sidewalls, giving the house a clean and defined silhouette. The house measures about 1,900 square feet with 2 floors and 3 bedrooms. From the entrance hall, one reaches a double-height space that accommodates the living, dining, and kitchen areas in an open layout. A beam of reclaimed wood spans this space. Inside, light wood, reclaimed longleaf pine flooring, white oak cabinetry, and soapstone countertops bring warmth and texture. Outdoor decks accessed through sliding glass doors extend the social spaces when opened. The facades are finished in dark burnished stucco, contrasting with carefully positioned openings. The dark gray stucco finish helps the facade resist the intense heat. The amount of glass is limited on the sun-facing sides to reduce heat gain. A wood-burning fireplace occupies a corner of this social area, contrasting its dark tone with light finishes. The main bedroom following the roof's shape opens to a recessed terrace built into the roofline, shaded by wooden slats. Details such as a barn door separating the bedroom from the bathroom and sliding glass doors opening to the decks enhance flexibility and connection with the outdoors. Casey House is an example of architecture that chooses not to exaggerate, a clear form, authentic material, and striking silhouette. With a simple volume, sober surfaces, and precise openings, it offers comfort, contemplation, light, and shadow in the rhythm of daily life. A house that breathes calm, inviting one to stay, observe, and find beauty in the subtle boundaries between inside and out.